Hold on to his
Chiropractor
shoulders for me,
reacts
Kelsey.
to adjustment
Good.
prank.
All right. I'm going to pivot the joint, okay? I'm going to count to 3. Okay, see, I didn't do that. If you count to 3, then they tense up. So I'm going to have you lift one arm up like that. Good, good. I'm going to hold on to your leg here. Good. Can you give me your... Okay, good. Relax. Okay. So I'm going to count backwards from 10. Okay, 10. Okay, there you go. 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 And back. Okay. How'd that feel?
No, wasn't as good.
Not as good? You know what? I think you were tensing up.
I was.
A little stretch here. I want you just like this. Okay, good. Put your arms on that so you can hold a little flexibility there. I'm gonna have you bend one leg, good, over the other leg like that. Good, okay. All right, good, good, good. Keep your feet pointed flat. No, not that much. Back, good, good, good. Right there, right there. Okay, good. I'm gonna hold this underneath your ankle there. What's your favorite song? What's your favorite song? Yeah, okay. Good, we'll have you relax just like that for just a minute. You doing okay? Okay, so like this. Okay, good, and push his shoulders a little bit. Yeah. Okay. You'll feel that a little. Okay.
Okay.
A little bit. Pull. Nice. Okay, good.
That helped.
Okay, step.
I'm like, oh,
No, you're good. Step up. How do you feel?
Wow.
You feeling any better?
I am.
Yeah?
I am. I feel like stretched out. I don't feel stretched that much in like since the last time I was here.
Okay.
Okay.
You can see Sally up in the front. Don't worry about it. Sorry about that. They'll be loose a little bit. Okay? So you'll be okay. Just a few minutes there.